The CASE 140E has been an absolute excellent addition to our fleet for multiple different reasons. One is just simply its size. It is small enough and maneuverable enough to get in some of these tight and small jobs, but yet large enough and powerful enough to tackle some of the larger ones. The performance is absolutely outstanding. It has the speed, but yet is very controllable. But most importantly, it is just a very, very comfortable machine to run. In our operation, we do a lot of dry dams and retention pond work. Previously to the 850M, this would require two different machines from our fleet, a larger dozer to push up the majority of the dirt and then a smaller dozer to do the finish work. The 850M has proved to be just the machine to tackle both tasks. It is large enough and powerful enough to push up the majority of the dirt, but yet small enough and nimble enough to do the finish work. It has definitely exceeded our expectations at this task. Case as a company has come a long ways over the years, improving on operator comfort, performance, and most importantly, reliability. But as a Case customer for well over 20 years, what impresses me the most is their willingness to listen to the operator slash customer, take that information, and truly apply it to future products.